Question 26. P and Q are points. The x-coordinate of Q is 4 more than the x-coordinate of P, and the y-coordinate of Q is 5 less than the y-coordinate of P. This is tricky. So I'm going to make up a point for P. Let's call it 0, 0. That would mean that Q has a coordinate. So the x-coordinate of Q, so it's always x and y. The x-coordinate of Q is 4 more than this 0, so that's 4. And the y-coordinate is 5 less, that's -5. Work out the gradient. Okay, so that's tricky as well. So you'd have to imagine a little grid like this, x and y axes. P is here, 0, 0. And Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this Q is 4 along the corridor and 5 down the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just down here, this is Q. And so I'm going to draw a line. And it is always the vertical divided by the horizontal to get gradient. And the vertical is -5. And the horizontal is 4 along. That's -5 divided by 4. That's the gradient. M equals PR. P is halved and R is multiplied by 3. What happens to M? Well, I don't know, so I'm going to choose a number. Let P be like 10 and R be 10 as well. So if you do M, it'll be 10 times 10 because it's P times R, so M's 100. But if P is halved, so P becomes 5 and R is multiplied by 3, so R becomes 30. What happens to M? So M equals 5 times 30, which is 150. So I suppose on my calculator I could check all these. I can see that it's not 6 times bigger. I can see that it's not a sixth of it, because a sixth is smaller. I can see it's not 2/3 of it, because it's bigger than 100. So it must be this one. Check it on your calculator, I suppose. 100 times 3 halves. Yes, it does give you 150.